Hello, we wanted to introduce you to our second video on mobile editing of ArcGIS online data. In the first video we discussed the collector application, which is designed for both smartphones and tablets, and at present is just for point data. We're helping our clients go out in the field with their mobile devices and do data collection. Another approach to doing data collection is actually logging in to ArcGIS Online itself, and what you're looking at on the screen is a web map that we've loaded in our ArcGIS Online account. You can see here that we've actually got a series of different data set types. We've got point data, we've got lines, and indeed we've got polygons as well. Now, if you're online, this only works in an online state, not in an offline state. You are actually able to edit this data. So let's go ahead and tap one of the points on the map. And again, these are hosted feature services. So what you're looking at here is data which has been published to ArcGIS Online and resides only in ArcGIS Online. Apologies about the flicker in the video. We're using Reflector, which is a very nice application for displaying the iPad, but sometimes flickers. What you're looking at here is just the attributes of that particular feature. So we can inspect those attributes. We can also hit the edit button in the top left hand corner. That puts us into edit mode. Let's hit the same point, and what you'll see is an attribute window which comes up, which allows us to actually edit those attributes. So we can scroll through and we can actually edit what we see here. So let's go ahead and just change one of those options. Let's click on the second one, and let's just put in, we're just going to put testing for geometry. As we wander through, there's other options in terms of, we can change the date. Let's put the today's date in, which is the 2nd of July, and that's been accepted. We'll keep scrolling through. Now the option to actually add a picture as well is here. Now in this case we can choose a file, so it's not going to actually open the camera up and allow us to take a picture, but if we've got a picture on file, then we can use that picture and attach that. You'll actually see a picture already attached there, and if we hit that we would actually bring that picture up. So we can do point editing within, when we're logged into this web map, and when we close this window we will effectively add that data to ArcGIS Online. Now, one of the limitations of the collector application is the fact that you cannot add polygon or point or line data at the moment. So in this application what we're actually going to do is we're going to add a line and a polygon to this map. So we'll just put an arbitrary line across the application. We'll click, and then we'll click, and there's our line. Once we've got that line added, let's go ahead and see if we can edit that line. So a double tap will give us will complete that, and then we come up with the attributes window. This is obviously an empty attributes window at the moment. We can put in, let's see, the comments field. We'll just put a test comment in there. And again, when we hit the OK button in the bottom, or the close button, that will be accepted. And that has now been pushed to our ArcGIS line. One of the other nice features about this is we can actually change that line. We can change it, make it wider, we can actually extend it as well. So we can still edit that particular line when we've completed the attributes and added the initial length to it. Tap the map, and we've now got that line feature there. So that's now again stored in ArcGIS Online, which is very nice. Let's just do very quickly a polygon. So we'll tap, and there is that polygon. Again, we've put up the attributes window, and we can edit those fields as we see fit. Close that. tap the map, and there we have that attribute information. Sorry, there we have that feature added. We can do other things in here, obviously online as well. We can add other layers to this if we needed to. There are tools at the top here that allow us to do additional things like directions. We can change the base map. So there's a lot of additional functionality here, but what we wanted to show in this video is just the fact that you can actually do editing of points, lines and polygons if you have a Wi-Fi connection on your iPad, and that's what we've just displayed here. Thanks for watching.